In this final van conversion video, I'm going to show the steps that I took to transform my van from a blank canvas to a livable space by adding cabinets and countertops, a bed platform, and some creative ways I cleaned up the aesthetic to make it feel like home. The first thing I did to plan the layout was to tape down the floor to visualize where everything was going to go. My layout was super basic, but it gives me a good balance between livable and sleepable space. Rather than building my own cabinets, I decided to use IKEA kitchen cabinets. They were really easy to build, and I knew it would provide the aesthetic that I wanted. I built them, and then we put the units in the van, screwing them into the wall and the floor to ensure they weren't going anywhere while I was driving. I then worked on cleaning up some of the entry points and added some finishing pieces where the edge of the van meets the floor. I cut out some outdoor carpet to cover the floor in the garage. The layout I decided on required that I put the fridge under the mattress of the bed, so I built a fixed spot that lifted the fridge up to match the height of the bed platform. I did a similar finish to the entrance of the van while still allowing my lawn to serve its moment. I used more outdoor carpet to clean up some of the more difficult areas for me to construct some woodworking, and I'm very happy with the end result. For the doors, I saw a lot of people make nice paneling to cover them up and make the inside of the van look less like a car and more like a home. I tried that and it didn't work or look as good, so I went back to the good old outdoor carpet and jammed them into the van's indentions. I then prepared the pieces I needed for the bed and attached them to the cabinets and the wall. You can see the fridge acts as part of the bed platform and can be accessed after lifting up the mattress. I had countertops and a sink installed, and then I installed my faucet. I added a magnetic strip for knives and decided to install floating shelves in the van to make it feel as open as possible. After that, the van was done. I just needed to add decor and Velcro down what I wanted to bring. I'll showcase the final look of the van in my van tour video, so stay tuned for that and some of my other videos. If you like what you see, give it a like, and if you want to see more of this, give it a subscribe. Is that good? Thanks for watching.